guys, their fidgets are awesome.
I know we got them today at the gas station.
Yeah, I wasn't there, and I just asked for a candy bar, and then he got these. Look. Alright, let me turn them off.
Oh, wait, I was supposed to... Yeah, whatever. Never mind, I thought I was supposed to...
Okay.
I like this one better because if you press it...
Hold on. Don't show them. Hold on. Here, I'm going to show them how... This is how it works. If you click it 2 times, it's like that. And... Wait, crap.
If you press them 2 times, it's like a pattern.
If you click it once...
It changes colors.
Yeah. But if you click it twice, it's like this, guys. Isn't that awesome? When you click it 3 times, oh, if you click it 3 times, it does that. And it spins. It's there. Oh my gosh, James. James, click it 3 times. Look, if you click it 3 times. And if you click it 3 times, it's like this. And if you click it 4 times, it's like this. La 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 la. I like it when you do it 2 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I like it 2 times. La 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 la. Bye bye.